Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer classroom. I'm Nazam, the teacher of Heritage School. Today we are going to discuss about the dial-up and broadband of chapter number 7. Let's begin the class. Let us discuss about dial-up technology. In dial-up technology, what happens? You have to dial up number to connect to the internet through an existing phone line. It works on a single line, so therefore the phone line is held up. You cannot use it while you are using the internet. It requires a modem, a telephone line, and an ISP. This type of connection is used to connect one computer with another using a telephone line, and download and upload speeds are quite slow. You cannot use phone and web at the same time. But it is good to understand the conventional method of establishing internet connection. So things which you need to remember about dial-up technology, that you establish the connection to internet by dialing a telephone number on a telephone line. In this dial-up technology, you cannot use phone and web at the same time. So this is was all about the dial-up technology. Let us take a look at the broadband. Your computer is continuously connected to the internet. It gives you high speed internet access, and your phone line is free from any kind of interruption. It is classified into three categories: wired broadband, wireless mobile broadband. Now, let us understand about three technologies. First one is wired broadband. This is a wired technology used in house. In this, a broadband modem is connected to a phone line and receives the internet services through it. This type of connection generally used in house where your computer is connected to the internet. Now comes to the wireless broadband. This is a high speed internet service provided via wireless technology. It is available in hospitals, airports, and in many homes. A computer which is equipped with wireless capacity is said to have Wi-Fi facility. Now let us discuss about the wireless mobile broadband. This is a high-speed internet service provided via wireless technology, usually meant for use while you are away from your home or office. For this, you need a device called a dongle. A dongle is basically a small USB device that allow you to access the internet through a mobile broadband connection. It is also referred to as USB modem or an internet stick. Now I will show you the picture of the dongle. So this is the picture of the dongle that you might have seen in your house, your school. It is popular because it can be used anywhere when you are traveling. For this, you have to buy a dongle with a data plan from an ISP. Some of the important ISP that offering a USB internet device such as Data Photon, Reliance Communication, Airtel, Vodafone. Here are the some important facts that we are going to discuss about. A broadband is like a highway having many lanes. The data can use any lane to travel, which is why broadband is able to provide high speed, because highways are fast, and your broadband gives high speed internet. Access of the broadband is like a highway. Okay, so the next one is we have many mobile phones with which we can access the internet. These are called the smartphones because they can do a lot more than just receive or make calls. You can chat with your friends, you can make video calls, you can do online shopping, online class. Those are the basically smartphones. That was all about today's session. Thank you.